everybody. I hope you're having an amazing weekend. I wanted to share a common business and technical writing tip that I use every day. Initially, the people that have to review and approve business plans, software manuals, or even marketing plans are executives. And as you know, executives have limited time in their day, especially to read a document that's 20 pages or more. So what do you do in this case? White space. What is white space? White space is an opportunity for you to, for example, take 2 or 3 paragraphs and convert it into bullets or a list, or use no more than, I would say, about 5 sentences per paragraph, just so that you can have enough space in the document for people to feel motivated to read it from the start to the end. Well, I hope you can use this tip every day, whether you're a freelancer or you're a business owner. If you have any questions on how to write